Motorcycle dealers in Vietnam has sold the Yamaha Sniper 155 VVA, or commonly called as the Yamaha Exciter 155, in Vietnam with installed accessories and with different colors designs. Motorcycles dealers in Vietnam has upgraded the motorcycle's parts for better appearance. This includes the brake and clutch levers, the handle grip, new special editions decals, new wheels designs, upgraded rear monoshock suspensions, titanium grills for fairing protections, and many more. This variants of Yamaha Sniper 155 VVA are limited to sold in Vietnam market only by Vietnam motorcycle dealers. If you want to upgrade your Sniper 155, you can use this as examples or your reference for your upgrading project. The only modified in this motorcycles are the outside parts. The engine of the Yamaha Sniper 155 VVA is still in stock factory configurations. The engine of Sniper 155 is powered by a 155 cubic centimeters, one-cylinder gasoline engine that fires 17.8 horsepower of power and 14.4 Newton-meters torque. The VVA in the Sniper 155 makes the engine easy to use when in gear at low speeds, but also provides lasting pull at higher speeds. The Sniper also comes with a larger 5.4-liter fuel tank for even more enjoyment. This variants of Yamaha Sniper 155 VVA are limited to sold in Vietnam market only by Vietnam motorcycle dealers. If you want to upgrade your Sniper 155, you can use this as examples or your reference for your upgrading project. There is a DSL cylinder in Yamaha Sniper 155 VVA, which is Yamaha's exclusively developed all-aluminum cylinder body design. Thanks to its one-piece construction, it eliminates the need for a steel cylinder sleeve to reduce wear and has excellent heat dissipation, giving it the advantages of more stable engine performance and lower weight. If you love videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for you to be notified on our next video uploads. Thank you for watching.